Hey everybody, Coach Chris Cotton here. Today I want to chat about something that's often the unspoken culprit behind many struggles in our industry. And we're talking about pride. As business owners, especially in the aftermarket auto repair industry, we sometimes let our pride dictate our decisions. Trust me, I've seen it happen countless times and it never ends well. So let's dive into why pride can be a stumbling block and how we can keep it in check to lead our business to success. Pride is, and always will be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's essential to take pride in our work and our businesses. It's what drives us to provide top-notch service and maintain high standards. However, when pride turns into stubbornness or arrogance, and that's what we're talking about here, it becomes detrimental. There's a situation in the industry right now where there's a shop owner who has multiple degrees. They should be able to run a successful business, and for some reason they're not.